Good morning. 어저께는 한국말을 하나도 안 하고 들어간 것 같아가지고 한국말로 시작하겠습니다. 한국말 좀 할 줄 압니다. 아담이 못 와가지고, 그런데 이제 사전에 이 슬롯을 잡아놔서 그냥 좀 날려보내기가 아까워서 제가 다시 나왔고요. 어제 제가 말씀을 못 드리고 들어간 게 두 가지가 있어서 또 추가로 나왔습니다. 하나는 Utah is hosting small satellite conference in Salt Lake City on August 7, 8, 9, I believe. And as far as I know, as of yesterday, I know there are 3 companies, Korean companies, that are participating in that small satellite conference. If there are any companies that are participating in this conference who are also attending that conference, please let us know. Let me or my colleague Jihyun know so that we can provide some support on the ground when you come for a visit. Now, I wanted to present Adam because he does run a very good company with about 1,000 employees, providing various security-related solutions to the U.S. government and other agencies and companies. So if you are interested in working with Adam, please let me know so that we can make the proper introduction. And the second thing I forgot to tell you yesterday is that there is a nonstop direct flight now from Incheon to Salt Lake City, which started on June 12th. A little bit less than a month ago, so I thought some of you may not know about that. I don't know how our friends from North Dakota flew to Seoul this time, but if you didn't know about the nonstop from Salt Lake City, you can fly that route now. I think it'll provide a very convenient connection for you folks, for your future travel. It is on Delta Airlines, which is a partner of Korean Air. It's code-shared with Korean Air, so you can get your miles on Korean Air if you like to do that, instead of accumulating your frequent flyer miles on Delta. So we're running a little behind, so I don't want to spend more time. So 2 things, small satellite conference in Salt Lake City in August, and nonstop direct flight. And we would love to work with you and collaborate on UAS-related projects in Utah. So thank you very much. 감사합니다.